regarding the balance.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
You as well.
And I think Willow Ridge versus Honore Washington. I think that's a dismissal.
That was
Is that it?
That's it.
Is that it
Have
for
a good
you?
weekend.
Pat? Okay. Take care.
All right.
Court calls the case of Hamptons of Clover Lane versus Carlos McMahon.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assumption Hart P69542 on behalf of Hamptons of Clover Lane.
Boy, everybody's just appearing. Hello, Ms. Hart.
I thought I'd improve the view for you, Judge.
Yes. All right. Mr. McMath, there you are.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. What is plaintiff's claim in this case?
Rent to retain possession, Your Honor, is $4,223.34. Court cost the amount of $175. That total redemptive amount being $4,398.34.
All right. And sir, how are you intending on getting that paid?
I know I can pay $2,000 of it by Friday the 15th, by next week. And then if I was given the opportunity to pay off the rest, which includes this month's rent, by the end of the month on the 28th, would be great.
All right. What I'm going to do, sir, is I can adjourn it out 1 week. So I'll adjourn it out to the 15th, 2026 at 1 p.m. That's an in-person hearing. Feel free to contact Mr. Cox's office and see whether or not they'll make some arrangement with you in terms of paying it off through the end of the month. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
If it's not all paid off, you need to be here on that date. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good weekend.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hamptons of Clover Lane versus Stephen Richards.
Assumption Hart on behalf of plaintiff.
Stephen Richards, they have not checked in. If you'd like to proceed, raise your right hand to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'd ask for default judgment to enter against Mr. Richards for his failure to appear. Rent to retain possession, $4,380.89. Court costs in the amount of $175. That total redemptive amount being $4,555.89. Judge, this is for possession only. We did not file for a money judgment in this matter with the payer vacate date of May 18th, 2026. To the best of my knowledge, the defendant is not a minor in the military. Otherwise, the capacitated unit was kept fit for its intended purpose and in reasonable repair.
Judgment to the plaintiff by default for possession, redemption amount in the amount requested, writ to issue in 10 days.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Orchard Grove versus Georgia LeRae, Nicole LeRae, and Robert Rudy.
Assumption Hart on behalf of plaintiff.
All right. They are not here. You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Likewise, with these defendants, I'd ask for a default judgment to enter for their failure to appear. Rent to retain possession in this matter, $832.66. Court costing amount of $253. That total redemptive amount being $1,085.66 with a payer vacate date of May 18th, 2026. Judge, this is for possession only. We did not file for a money judgment. To the best of my knowledge, defendants are not minors in the military, otherwise incapacitated. Unit was kept fit for its intended purpose and in reasonable repair.
Judgment to the plaintiff, that is by default for possession, redemption amount in the amount requested with a writ to issue 10 days.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Pines of Clover Lane versus Eduardo Handel and Nellie Handel.
Assumption Hart on behalf of plaintiff.
Defendant one.
Yes.
Handel. Here he is.
I'm here, sorry.
Oh, no, it's okay. All right. What is plaintiff's claim in this case?
Your Honor, rent to retain possession is $3,292.07. Court cost amount of $214. Total redemptive amount, $3,506.07.
All right. And sir, how do you intend on getting that paid?
I paid it already. I submitted my cashier's check today at 9:30 a.m.
Okay. They probably don't have it. So here's what I'm going to do. You said you paid the balance off.
Yeah, I
So,
gave it at 9:30.
okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjourn it out to May 15, 2026 at 1 p.m. Oh, hold on. I don't have to.
Correct. I apologize, Your Honor. Plaintiff moves for a dismissal in this case, and I'll submit a dismissal accordingly. They did pay the balance this morning, and I did just receive a notification from my property manager. So I will submit a dismissal to the court, Your Honor.
All right. See, this all worked out, sir. Case dismissed.
Thank you so much. You have a great day.
Welcome. You too.
Thanks.
Redwood Superior Township versus China Green.
Assumption Hart, Your Honor, on behalf of plaintiff.
And
I'm here.
hello. Hello, Miss Green. All right. What is plaintiff's claim in this case?
Rent retained possession, Your Honor, $5,078.88. Court cost amount of $175. That total redemptive amount is $5,253.88.
All right. Miss Green, how are you intending on getting that paid?
So I tried to drop off a certified check earlier this week, but I was told that I can't drop off partial payments. So I do have that amount of $3,300 already.
How much do you have?
$3,300.
And they wouldn't take your money?
No, they said they just don't take partial payments.
Oh, yes, they will. Miss Hart, I'm ordering that they will take that partial payment of $3,300. I don't know why they turn away money. Anyway, all right. So Miss Green, we've taken care of that. So you just need to take that over. If they won't take your money, then I got remedies if they don't want to do that. It's okay. So, and then how are you going to pay the back balance?
And so then I filed for a hardship withdrawal from my retirement fund. And so that's been approved. I'm just waiting for the funds to hit my account.
All right. Do you know what the timing on that might be, or?
They said within 2 weeks it should be.
Okay. You didn't say that like you believed him. No.
You know how things are, you know.
I get it. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to adjourn it to May 15, 2026 at 1 p.m. You get that $3,300 over to them. That on the 15th, that's an in-person hearing. So if you don't get it all paid off, you'll need to appear down at the courthouse, and then we'll figure out where we go.
Okay.
All right?
Judge,
Yes, thank you so much. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
That's okay. Judge, I will indicate that to my client about the $3,300 payment. But for the numbers, Your Honor, that would leave a remaining balance of $1,953.88 for Ms. Green's. But Judge, respectfully, we do that just because if they pay the money and they're not able to pay all of it, Judge, it's just, try to help out the tenant.
Yeah, sure. Any business I've ever ran, if somebody's going to pay you money, you just take. If I got to give a refund, I'll give a refund, but I'm taking your money. All right?
Thank you, Your Honor. I believe that concludes it for the Cox docket. Have a great afternoon. It's good to see you.
All right.